this one can't help me on what I'm trying to figure out. But anyways, y'all. Anyways. No. Anyways. Y'all, we trying the new Megan Thee Stallion chicken sandwich with her hottie sauce, should I say. Period, y'all. We finna see how it tastes and see what's the hype about. Y'all, and I also got the nuggets. 8 piece. And we got, y'all got the plate. I like the little,
I got mine on the plate already, so I just got some.
Yeah, she acted like she couldn't wait, y'all. Like it was just kind of her name. Y'all, and then, look at the little hottie sauce. It's so cute. And she got her little signature at the top. Okay, she doing a bead. I heard she coming out with her own Popeyes now. Y'all, and look what they gave me a whole thing. They ain't even give her the whole thing full of hottie sauce. Y'all will show y'all, but I'm scared it's gonna spill.
I know you gonna be cool.
Anyways, y'all, we finna see
What's the hype about?
Yeah, what's talking about, cause baby, I know the sweetie meal now. The sweetie meal was good.
Yeah.
Sweetie meal was actually good, y'all. I really liked it. She really did her thing with it. That's one thing I
You
can't
need to
say.
come back out with it.
Yeah, they should have made that a little permanent thing. Or made that a little longer. You ready? Oh, I forgot my bed. Yeah, sure, I got her stuff. Y'all, I got my mashed potatoes and gravy on the side. But y'all, I'm gonna put that down on. Y'all. It already got some sauce on there.
I got some meal on there.
So y'all, it come with pickles on there and hottie sauce. And then I got some hottie sauce right here, so. Ooh, woo. Oh, y'all, I'm over here, girl. You ready? You ready? To taste it? Oh, they gave me a big old chicken. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. What you think about it? Y'all, it's actually good, y'all. It reminds me of like sweet and sour a little. But it's like sweet and then a little spice come in. Okay. Now, who you think is better? The sweetie meal or Megan Thee Stallion? Now, wasn't the sweetie, wasn't that just,
The sweet meal good.
no, this is sweet and sour. Sweet and sour sauce. She just put her nuggets on her burger. On a Big Mac.
It's good though. The sweet meal. But I give it to Megan next time.
Yeah, I don't know. Ooh! It's a little spicy. Dip it in. Oh, you good?
I got some.
Yeah.
And look at your juice up in there. I put it in the refrigerator. It's cold.
Mommy, you get my juice, please.
Mama, but the mama that Popeye drink.
In the refrigerator. Oh, y'all. Wanna try another? Like, you got right there. That cold. I'm sick. You good?
It's hot.
It's hot. I wouldn't say it's hot, child, but it's a little spicy. And it's gonna catch you off guard. It's like it reminds me of like sweet and sour, it really do. But the crazy thing is, I don't even like sweet and sour. Like a lot of people love sweet and sour, but I don't know, it just, I don't know. Okay, you didn't even try it.
What's up, man?
The nuggets.
Oh.
Okay. Right, y'all. Let's put a little sauce on there. Ooh, woo! Baby, baby. I'm over here trying to show y'all I'm dropping. Girl. So, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a cook.
A cook? A cook?
For sure.
Oh, yeah. Why you want to be a cook?
That's what I like to do.
Yeah, you gotta speak up. They can't hear you.
That's what I like to do.
You gonna cook for me? You gonna cook me my person shit?
How much you willing to pay?
I'm not paying you nothing. You my sister.
I don't know what that.
Y'all, she can't even cook for her sister. I lied. I don't need nobody to cook for me. I'm gonna learn how to cook. Y'all can't cook for me. I can't cook, but I prefer to cook.
I'm playing with that. I could feed you.
You my sister. She ain't got no choice.
You do my hair for free, so.
Right, I do her hair for free. Sure. Oh yeah, y'all. Y'all come get at me. You already know what it is. I'm in the H-Town. Y'all book me. I ain't gonna bust y'all head like everybody else down here though. So you got some questions for me or what? So baby, I can't be
You already.
Yeah, I want to be a lawyer so bad because I love to argue. Like, I know that sounds toxic, but that's what I love to do. Like, I could be in a relationship, baby, and you trying to argue, baby, you're not going to get the last word because I'm getting it. Y'all, that's so not good, but I just love arguing. Especially, like, when I got proof or facts. Oh, my gosh, y'all. I swear, I'm a... Y'all, I'ma really get you with that. Like, I love arguing with facts. Oh my gosh, it's like I'm conquering the world. But yeah, y'all. And but right now, I'm really trying to be a correctional officer. I really like anything dealing with the law, like. But as far as like being an op, I can't do that. I feel like a correction officer is close to an op, but it's not an op. Like all I'm doing is sitting there watching all the inmates. Hey, chill out.
You doing that on purpose?
Dang.
So
But like I feel like there's something like I would like to do. I don't know, I just like stuff dealing with that. But what I really want to do is be a lawyer. What do you look for in a boy? Y'all, she got quiet. I mean, she is 16, girl. Talk. What do you look for in a boy? Hey, daddy gonna kill her, y'all. Don't tell them that. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. He gonna be like, watch. When he look back at this, he gonna be like, alright, but I'm listening.
Who would add? Okay.
What you look for the ball?
They gotta have.
You gotta speak up. Don't look at mama because mama don't help her neither. I'm asking her what she looks for in a boy, not what you look for.
They gotta be smart.
So, they gotta be smart.
Yeah.
So you don't want no dumb nigga.
No.
What if he dumb but got a lot of money? What if he dumb but got a lot of money? That can't work. Girl, you don't want no nigga that's dumb but he can spoil you. Y'all messing with him. Go ahead. Okay, you gotta be smart.
He gotta be smart. He gotta have a job.
Okay.
He gotta have a car.
Dang, so he gotta have a car thing?
Yeah.
So what if he don't got no money? Like what if he got money, but what if he ain't on his stuff yet to get a car? Like what if he fine? What if he just fine? He got money, but he ain't got no license.
He want a bike? Oh, yeah, sure say.
Yeah, I said ride the bike. You said no, he walking. He walks to work every day. He do everything right. He just ain't got no car. No, mama, let her talk.
That's not.
I'm talking to her. She said at first he got to have a car. So
He gotta have a car.
he gotta have a car.
But he ain't
He
got.
can't walk. But he like you. You ain't got no car to what? I ain't got no car to what?
I mean, he can walk every now and then, but.
Dang, y'all, she down bad. She said, baby, he got to have a car. Okay?
Cause
Y'all.
I don't take you places. We just walking every day.
Yeah, baby, we can walk together. We gonna thug it out. Baby, she bougie, y'all. So he's smart. He gotta have a car. He gotta have a job.
Cause I'm pretty good.
Okay.
If you don't got a job,
As far
how you
as
gonna make home?
characteristics, what do you look for? Like, do they gotta be funny? Do they gotta be?
Yeah, they gotta be funny.
They gotta be funny. Yeah, cause I don't like no nigga that can't make me laugh. But y'all, I'm goofy either way it go. You can just say something stupid, I'ma just bust out laughing. I'm just goofy, y'all. So sometimes it don't even be funny. I can just look at you and your facial expressions just make me laugh. Like,
What are you looking for?
what do I look for in the boy? Why she asking me everything that I asked her? That's not how it's supposed to go. She's supposed to come up with her own question.
No.
Anyway, they for sure gotta be cute or fine, baby. Because if you ugly, I can't roll over in the bed and just look at you, and you just ugly. I'ma just look at you like I'ma bust out laughing, knowing me.
TT Buck.
So y'all, they gotta be cute, but it's crazy because the ugly niggas be the ones to treat you right. So I might just find me an ugly nigga. Anyways, they gotta be cute. They ain't gotta be fine, but they gotta be at least cute, decent, somewhat. Cause okay. I remember in elementary I used to talk to this ugly boy. I just thought about it now that I'm saying it. He was so ugly. Anyways, y'all. My Tookie booty say, hey gang.
Oh, stop it.
Say if you ain't with the gang, you a lame and that's on period.
That's a whole.
Well, don't say period, but you know. No chicken nugget.
Baby, Buck. You was playing down there with your.
But y'all,
Here. Play down there with him.
they gotta be cute. They gotta be somewhat funny. They don't gotta be funny, but they gotta be somewhat funny. They gotta have a job. Maybe I can't be the only one working. The man. Well, I'm not gonna say just. I'm not gonna say just the man. Both of y'all supposed to be bringing money in, but baby. I can't be the only one bringing it all in. I mean, don't get me wrong. if you in the process of looking, and I thug it out for a little bit, but baby, all that if I'm it ain't going down over here. No honey bun, sugar plum. Tell them. Anyways, y'all, they gotta be cute. They gotta be funny. They gotta be smart. Cause I don't want no dumb nigga. They can't be y'all. I don't like no nigga that like to be with his homeboys 25-8. Now, is you messing with your homeboys or what? Cause baby, you with them 25-8. No. Baby, you got a family. Yeah. Now, they're just like me out clubbing 25-8. Then I bet you feel some type of way. But you know, if the shoe on the other foot, they don't know how to take it. Anyways, but we're not gonna get into details about that. We're not gonna do all that now, y'all. Hey, stop shaking the thing. But you got any more questions? We gonna do one more question. I'm gonna let you exit. Okay, I got a question for you. What's something that you never told me before? It could be something that happened. It could be something about you. It could just be anything. What's something that you never told me before? Y'all, my hand's sticky. That sauce is sticky. It's sticky on your hand.
I know it's sticky. That's all I said.
Y'all is sticky. I need some white.
While you was asleep, I ate some chips. I took them chips and ate it. And replaced them back.
I know this girl did not just say she took one of my chips and replaced the bed.
Yeah.
How you replace the bed?
I got money. So I replaced the bed. I went to the bathroom. Replaced the bed.
She lying, y'all.
No, I'm not lying. I ate some chips.
What chips?
It was like some hot chips. You had.
I should smack you. Y'all. Okay, now ask me a question. And not the same thing. What's up?
Right. I don't know what's going on.
Y'all, she act like she can't ask nobody no question. But anyways, rate the sandwich and the nuggets 1 to 10.
The sandwich is a 9.
Sandwich is a 9. Okay. And what about the nuggets?
The nuggets is a
10? The nuggets better than the sandwich?
No, it's just like I don't know.
You like the nuggets better? Yeah, I rate the sandwich and I give it an 8 out of 10. Yeah, it's good, but I eat it. Don't get me wrong. I eat. It's not nasty. It's not nothing wrong with it. It's just like the taste remind me of sweet and sour, and I personally don't like sweet and sour, but I like it because it's like a spicy taste, and I like it. But y'all, she did her thing with this, and that's on period. She did her thing, Megan, okay? Come on, Megan, drop some more, baby. Anyways, and the nuggets, y'all, the nuggets is a 10 out of 10. I don't know why, I just like nuggets probably better. Yeah, the nuggets is a 10 out of 10. The nuggets itself is good. And y'all, what's crazy is that's my first time trying the nuggets personally from Popeyes. But yeah, and then the sauce, what do you get a sauce? That's a 10. Yeah, I get a sauce. I don't know, it remind me of sweet and sour, like I said, but y'all, you know what? I'm gonna give it a 9. I'm gonna give it a 9. It remind me too much of sweet and sour though, and I don't like sweet and sour. But I like the spice. I like the little tang and the little twist she put in there. So yeah, like I said, Megan, you did your thing. You already know what it is. But anyways, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all already know what it is. If you ain't with the gang, tell them you a lame. Tell them. Y'all look crazy. Anyways, if you ain't with the gang, you a lame, and that's on period.